guys, this is Niella here, and today is I don't want makeup brush here. Anyways, a day in my life as a makeup artist. So we're currently on the shoot with PAC, and she's launching her bridal collection, guys. You need to see the dresses. Like, I'm so grateful everything turned out well, or is turning out well. The makeup, I'm working also with Shivan's makeover as well, and so Fine Beauty World is the hairstylist, guys. Everything is looking amazing. The hair, the makeup, the dress, oh my god. Anyways, let's take you in.
One more.
Say hi. Say hi to the designer herself. Okay, hope I was not. Shivan's makeover on the beach. Oh my god. This is perfect. Yeah.
Like, where were you in 2020?
Right? Good question.
She's a boss lady. I'm like, this is what will suit her personality. Let's make a suit that looks like a wedding dress.
So fine upon the hair. Hairstylist extraordinary. Oh no.
My bride.
Oh my god, look at this hair.
Look at you. There's one pill inside that container.
Zeke, I was so tired. I just got home now, week off. Just to crash in Kitchener before heading back home. But I was like, I beg. If I didn't have the house in Kitchener, I didn't have the opportunity to stay in Kitchener, or I have kids, won't I go back home to my kids? Anyway, so I'm home. You guys should manage the vlog I did, sha. That's all I can say. All right, bye.